Well, good evening, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to go over the weekly YMAX and YMAG dividends plus Group C. So let's give a quick reminder of the dividend schedule for each. So we've got Groups A, B, C, and D. And starting January 7th, we will have new funds added as well for the Big 12. So let's go over the schedule again as a refresher. Really quick, these were paid yesterday. It's every Wednesday for these funds. So for Target 12, I'm sorry, I said Big 12. Target 12, thinking like Big 12 conference here. January 7th is the first declaration date. The payment date is January 9th. The distribution schedule for groups A, B, C, and D is weekly. It's a weekly rotation. So we had Group B last week. We had Group C this week. We've got Group D next week. By the end of the year, the last week of the year, we've got Group A and then B, C, and D. So if you own funds that are in Groups A, B, C, and D, or YMAX and YMAG, you're getting weekly dividends from YieldMax. As a reminder, here are the funds that are in Groups A, B, C, and D. Group B is officially the biggest group now because they added, looks like Morrow, they added to the group. The others, of course, a lot of us hold Tesla. That one happens to be in Group A. The ones that are in Group C, which were paid this week, are Coney, Fiat, MSFO, AMDY, NFLY, ABNY, PP, my favorite, and Ulti, why Ulti no go up. So let's go look at what the dividends were. And then we'll do our spreadsheet analysis of YMAX and YMAG. We also got Roundhill, but that's a separate video. So let's look over here. This is actually the Twitter post. So Coney had a phenomenal one. $1.34, but let's pull up, instead of the post, let's actually pull up the table here. So instead of being there and just seeing random ones, let's see them all at the same time, right? Okay, so here we go. So here is the table. So YMAX fell to 12 cents, YMAG fell to 16 cents. Coney was phenomenal, $1.34. Fiat was 68 cents. MSFO was 41 cents. AMDY was 30 cents. NFLY was 86.5 cents. ABNY was 39.6 cents. PP was 60 cents. And Ulti was 71 cents. So Ulti's finally not as high. It's still a 92% payout, but they're not still trying to pay out $1 every month like they were. Schedule for next week, the two weekly ones, of course, YMAX and YMAG, Misty, YQQQ, that's a new one, AMZ, Aptly, AIYY, DISO, SQY, and SMCY. So as far as these yields, it's a 92% payout for Ulti. As far as ones that are 100%, Fiat is 101%, Coney is 105.6%, YMAG and YMAX continue to be 44% and 35% respectively. So now let's do our own spreadsheet analysis for the YMAX and YMAG, the same thing we do for the Roundhill ones. We did take a hit this week in terms of our dividends. Now I cleaned up the spreadsheet. It's a nice table. So you guys are going to like this one, I think. So let's go here. We've got some nice formatting and stuff here. Let's let me start by moving this down over here. Let me see something real quick. Oh, that changed on me. Okay, we want that in percentage. This one we want in dollars. I don't know why these are changing on me. Maybe I'll have to go back to regular format. Let's see here. Annual B15 plus H15. What? Oh, I don't know why this format changed here. This should actually be a percentage too. This is really annoying. Maybe I shouldn't have done this table. Oh well, I'll have to make do. Let's see here. Oh shoot. Okay, we're just gonna have to go with this for now. So, oh God, this is really, I almost, sorry. Always something. So much for a nice table. Shit always has to change on me, doesn't it? Okay, so let's just do this here. Okay, so we'll just have to make do. Um, this shouldn't be a percentage. This should be dollars, and this should be centered. Okay, let's go back here. Let's see here. Okay, so YMAX was 0.1226. YMAG was 0.1680. 0.1680. Okay, 0.1226. I actually prefer the 4 decimal points here. I don't know why converting to a table changed everything on me. This is really annoying. Okay, 5 trading days. So what we do, for those of you that are new, we take the weekly dividend, we make it monthly, then we make it annualized, then we take the current share price, take the percent yield, and we get a bunch of other numbers. Okay, so annual, this is like half what it was the week before. This is going to be, I'm going to seriously have to consider switching back to the old format here. Um, Annualized. I'm not even highlighting every cell, but it's making the whole column change on me. Okay, so monthly is 53 cents, annualized is $6.38. The share price as of Wednesday, let's check this. So YMAX share price as of Wednesday, it was, let's see here. It was, oh, it opened down today, 18.40. So we'll just say $18.40. This is so annoying. I'm sorry, folks. I didn't expect this to be. I thought we were improving things here. I didn't expect this to get all messed up. I have to do this in every frickin' cell now. So $8.40. So that is 14 cents of a drop from a week ago. Mm. Just bear with me, folks. This table is like, this formatting really sucks. Didn't expect this. And I don't know how to change it back right now on the fly. Okay, average. We want the average to include to cells G14. There we go. Invalid. I think it's invalid. I think this spreadsheet is invalid. It's trying to tell me that something's invalid here. Price change. That's F3 minus F2. Nope. We want this to be in terms of dollars, not percent. There we go. That's better. Center it again, which we seem to have to do every frickin' time now. Let's move this down off of 100,000. I don't know why this is so stupid. It's not even carrying the dollar formatting. Okay, so off of 100,000, let me make sure this is correct here. So it's going to be cell F14, F14 minus F2. And then it would buy us this many shares. Stupid thing, I don't want this many decimals. I don't know what the hell this did. Okay, so here we go. 54.34. That's how many shares it would buy us. And this is what the weekly dividend would be. Ooh, 666. Look at that. Just the number we want, or actually don't want. That is goofy. This is so stupid. All right, so that's what our weekly dividend would be. Annually, it would be 34,647. Watch this. It's going to do the whole freaking thing again, as usual. Um, and then B15 plus H15. Okay, so what we have down here, and this is just for one, this is the sum of these divided by the original share price. So this is actually supposed to be, I need to include B14 now. And then I'm dividing by, no, this is supposed to be a percentage. I'm so freaking, you know what? This is like, mm. um, what's this supposed to be? B15 plus H15. B15, you know what? I just don't know. B15 plus H15 divided by 12. So there were 12 weeks in this. I believe this is week number 13. Just when I thought the MacBook was harder. So it is 13, so I'm going to divide this by 13. So what's really phenomenal about this is that we're still getting 1.5% weekly return, which you don't even see that like with a CD, like annually a lot of times. So 1.5% weekly return is absolutely incredible. So in this cell, what I did, I took the sum of this, the sum of the dividends, and so if I take this off, I should get a number. That's our total dividends here. And I'm dividing by the share price. So, which is so stupid. Looks like I'm going to have to, instead of undoing, I'm going to have to do this again. Okay, so it averages 15 cents. So it's an average of like, yeah, the dividend average is 15 cents a week. Let me skip down to YMAG now. So this dividend was one of our lower ones. Actually, this was our second lowest in YMAX, which is rather interesting. As far as YMAG, we're gonna have a whole nother adventure with this one, because why not, right? So let's move this down and mess up all the cells like we did up here. Okay, so for YMAG, let's check and see if any of you, well, no comments. Let's see here. Okay, so YMAG was 0.1680. So 0.1680 in terms of dollars. Center. Oh, now it's not going to do the whole thing here. Amazing. Amazing. This one's working better. Okay, monthly. 73 cents. Wow, no formatting issues here. 874. Share price on YMAG was, survey says, for Wednesday, let's see, the 11th. So that would have been, yeah, we dropped today. We're just going to say 2022. So this one had some NAV appreciation this week. And don't we appreciate that? So 2022. And so that is a change of 38 cents. So now we're going to take F29. It's going to be cell F29 minus F17 divided by F17. And that is, now it's a 5 cent. So what we did there, we took the end share price divided by the beginning period, or sorry, subtract the beginning period divided by the beginning period. So we are up in terms of a price change. We took this minus this, and then we divided it by that. So that's like a 5%. See, I can't do it because it screws up the whole thing. Anyway, it's like a 5% change. So, and this is $100,000. And then this would buy us 4,945 shares with a decimal, 0.6, $830, 830.86. That's weekly. Annually, this would be 43,204. And then we have cells B30. plus H30. So on average, that is that number. And then we need to take this and divide by 13 now. So it's 1.31%. Now the final number here is going to be actually L14 plus L29. So the end result here, ooh, that dropped a lot. Wow, that dropped in half. Look at that. So on a combined investment portfolio of, say, $200,000 split evenly between YMAX and YMAG, we would have a $77,852.57 annual dividend payout on $200,000. Percentage-wise, that is going to be 39%, which is half of what it was a week before, but still not too terribly shabby. On the average, the dividend is 60% here, almost 50% here. 16 cents is not all that different than what we've had on some of the other weeks. We did have a 5-cent and a 6-cent dividend in 2 different weeks as our low points for YMAG. For YMAX, our lowest was 11 cents. So this dividend this week for YMAX was only like not even a cent higher than the lowest point. So that was our second lowest for YMAX. So there we have it. These are still, I would say, better than the Roundhill ones. They're still doing pretty good, but we did see a big drop this week. So in this one, so we've covered um, all the Group C YieldMax funds, plus we've now gone over AIYY. And sorry, I'm reading this comment here. We actually got a comment. I'm reading comments here while I'm talking. So we got YMAX and YMAG plus the Group C. Good night. Looking at AIYY, SMCY, definitely adding some ulti. By the way, I got into what's it called? The Biggie, BIGY, and I'm excited about that one. Anyway, I'm going to end it there. Like, comment, and subscribe. Join Discord. We'll see you all tomorrow. Good night. Bye.